Okay, now let's see this question. This question actually came in GATE 2014 and it came for 2 marks. The question is, a cycle on n vertices is isomorphic to its complement. This is given that there is a cycle on n vertices, and if we take its complement, it is isomorphic to the initial cycle. Now, the value of n is what? Okay, the first thing I will just show you by an example that what is the answer, then we will try to derive it also formally. Firstly, so the answer is n is 5. So many of you might have already remembered it just as part of the text itself. So what is happening is that if we are having a particular pentagon, so something like this, then you can understand that whatever edges are not present. See, so you know one thing, right? That if there is a graph G and we take the complement of graph G and we take the union, then that graph will be Kn. Okay, so basically this pentagon, and in this case this graph is a cycle. So you understand that this also has to be cycle since they are isomorphic. So they are saying that whatever edges are left in Kn, that will also be isomorphic. So see, so basically if I'm saying that if this is G, okay, then G complement is basically this graph. So whatever are the dotted lines, you can understand this is G complement, and you can understand that they are isomorphic to each other because you can understand that okay, so there are 5 vertices in both the graphs, okay, and each of the vertex is having degree 2. Here also each of the vertex is having degree 2 also. So you can understand that basically if you can understand this graph as a folded version of this graph. So if you unfold everything, then it will again become a cycle like this. So both are cycles and both are isomorphic, and the degree is 2 for each vertices, and the number of vertices n is basically 5. So the value of n is 5. However, if you already don't know this fact, then I will show you a couple of ways in which you could basically find that what is the value of n. Firstly, first way I will try to say you that since it is given that the initial graph is a cycle, and you know that in every cycle the degree of any particular vertex is 2 because it is a cycle, right? So the degree will be 2. Now if I take its complement and whatever graph I get, and that is isomorphic, it means that also has to be a cycle. Now if that is a cycle, then let's say this vertex was there and this vertex was there in its complement, then if that is also a cycle, the complement is also a cycle because it is isomorphic to the initial graph, then its degree will also be 2. So my point is that if this degree is the degree in G bar, G complement is 2, and the degree in G is 2, then when we will take the union, then we will find Kn, and in the union the degree will be 2 plus 2, 4. So my point is that in Kn the degree of each vertex should be 4. Understood the point, right? Since it is a cycle, it is the degree is 2 in G, the degrees also has to be 2 because it has to be cycle in G complement also, and then when we take the union, it becomes Kn, so the degree in Kn will be 2 plus 2, 4. Now what is the graph Kn in which the degree of each vertex is 4? It will essentially be this graph only. There is no other graph possible. Why? Because if Kn is there, then each vertex is going to be connected by n minus 1 more vertices, one more vertices, right? So if every graph is connected to if 4 more vertices, then the number of vertices in Kn is basically 4 plus 1, 5. So you can understand that here every vertex is connected to 4 other vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the value of n is 5. The value of n is 5. However, I will show you another way which is actually much easier to analyze. So this was the first way. This was the first way. I will show you another way in which also you can find the value of n. So this value is quite intuitive and you can mathematically calculate it. Here they are saying that, okay, there is a graph Cn. This is a cycle, right? And it has Cn has n edges. Why? Because any cycle, let's say 4 cycle. So this is a square, this is a you can rectangle also you can understand. So if this graph is there, then you can understand that this has 4 vertices and 4 edges. If 3 cycle is there, 3 vertices and 3 edges. Similarly, 5 vertices and 5 edges. So basically, Cn, a cycle with n vertices, has n edges. This is a fact, right? However, since Cn complement is also isomorphic, so it is also a cycle, and that's why it also has n edges. Understood, right? From these two, I can say that C union Cn complement, Cn union Cn complement has 2n edges, right? But what is this value? Any graph complement to its own will give us Kn. So Kn has 2n edges. Now this is important. Once we have got this, then we can calculate value of n simply because we know that how many edges are there in Kn. In Kn is a complete graph with n vertices and it has n into n minus 1 by 2 edges. We know that, and that value has to be equal to 2n. So from this we can say that n into n minus 1 is equal to 4n. N gets cancelled and then n minus 1 is equal to 4, which means n is equal to 5. Okay. So from this also we can calculate that what is the value of n. So the answer is 5.